welcome back to my channel. So to start off, I'm taking my winter white color by iGel Beauty. This will probably forever be one of my favorite like milky white type of colors, and as you guys can see, I'm applying this on the middle fingernail and the thumbnail. And for the rest of my nails, I am going to be using this Vanillisa gel polish in the shade Gentle Pink. This is one of my favorite like nude pink base colors, and I'm just going to be applying a good even layer over the rest of the nails. If you guys watched my AliExpress haul, I think it's the video that I posted before this one, you guys will see some of my favorite Vanillisa like base colors. And this was included in that video, so I will go ahead and leave a link to that video down below. And you guys, I just want to say this set is a Freestyle, and it's for one of my really good loyal customers. Every time she buys from me, she always buys like multiple sets from me, so I decided to throw in this set as a little gift and as like a appreciation gesture to her. But yes, as you guys can see, I'm going in with a second layer over all the nails. Now I am going to be going in and ombreing my nails, and the color I decided to ombre with is this Be My Valentine shade by D&D. This is such a gorgeous kind of like neon pink. I don't know, it's like so perfect for like Valentine's season and stuff. But yeah, so I'm just taking that on one of my little sponges, which is like a makeup wedge, and I have a full like length video showing you guys in depth on how I ombre my nails. So if you guys would like to see more in detail how I do this, I will leave the link to that video as well down below. But yeah, so I just go ahead and do patting motions on the tips of the nails, and it's really easy once you guys get the hang of it. And honestly, I really recommend these sponges. I think they're called Wonder Sponges. Last time I checked, they're sold out of Amazon, but I'm going to see if I could find them somewhere else and leave a link for them down below if you guys are interested in checking those out. But yeah, so here I decided to take some of these stickers. I think I got these stickers on Shein, which I also have a haul video on that as well, I believe, and I will leave the link to that video down below. But yes, look at these stickers, you guys. They're so cute. So I'm just applying those to the index and the ring fingernail. And I'm going to be top coating those nails with my iGel Beauty No Cleanse Gel Top Coat.
Oh, my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me too good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. I'm a fantasy. Give me the thing they're ready for really get to life. Tell me all about the things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way my step, the way my make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby, because they cannot be denied. Come to me in the night to make me get it amplified.
I also decided that I wanted to make the ombre nails matte. So to do that, I'm using my D&D matte gel top coat, and I'm just putting that right on top of that nail.
Baby boy, stay on my mind. Come on, girl, tell me how you feel. I think about you all the time. You don't know the love is real. Baby boy, not a day goes by.
Now I am going to be applying my bling, and as you guys can see, I did separate that nail and put it on a little stand. And then I'm getting a little buffing block and lightly buffing the nail just so the glue could stick better. It could hold onto the nail better. And yeah, I just lightly, very lightly buff that nail, and then I wipe it down with a little bit of alcohol. And now I'm going to be taking my gems. So as you guys can see, I have some Hello Kitties here. I have some rhinestones. I have some bows. These gorgeous, gorgeous rhinestones. I think these rhinestones are like 2088 cut, so those are like really, really high quality, like glass rhinestones. So yes, I'm taking some of those, and I'm just going to be adding how I think looks nice on this nail. I just know for sure that I wanted to add like Hello Kitty and stuff like that.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams. Picture us dancing real close in a dark, dark corner of a basement party. Every time I close my eyes, it's like everyone left but you and me. In our own little world, the music is the sun. The dance floor becomes a scene. Feels like true paradise to me. Baby boy, stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, oh damn fine. Baby boy, oh damn fine. Baby boy, oh damn fine. Baby boy, don't say the name, no baby boy. Baby boy, oh damn fine. Boy, won't you be mine? Baby boy, let's Baby boy, stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Oh, my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh,
Freestyle.
I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out of my fantasy.
Give me the thing that ready for really get to life. Tell me all about the things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way me step, the way me make me stride. All of your feeling, baby, good because they cannot be denied. Come to me in the night to make me get it amplified. On the grip for run the ship, me not go slip, me not go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. We give it the toughest long to start for ride. Girl,
Baby boy, stay on my mind.
come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
Think about you all the time. I see you in my
You don't
dreams.
know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my
You don't know
dreams.
the love is real.
Picture us dancing real close in a dark, dark corner of a basement party. Every time I close my eyes, it's like everyone left but you and me. In our own little world, the music is the sun. The dance floor
thing they're ready for really get to live. Tell them all about the thing.
Once you are done applying your stones, this is how your set should be looking. I am so in love with this set. I think it's so gorgeous. And the little Hello Kitty heads are so cute. I did pick those up on AliExpress. I will leave a link down below to those heads. But yes, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it and you want to see more, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.
I know you dig the way my step, the way my make me stride. All of you feeling, baby, girl, because they cannot be denied. Come take me in at the night to make me get it amplified. All I grip for run the ship, and I go slip, and I go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. We give it the toughest, longest time for ride. Girl,